Hey everyone, this is Amit Singh from QuickDigitalReviews.com and welcome to my Done For You Bonus Suites review. I'm here in the members area of Done For You Bonus Suite, and this is how it's gonna look like when you buy this product. I'm gonna give you a full run through of this course, what are the training courses that are included in the course, but let me first give an overview about this product. So Done For You Bonus Suite is basically a training course that allows you to create a bonus website and bonus pages using WordPress plugin, and yes, that's it. So the front end price of Done For You Bonus Suite is $17, and there are few upgrades which I will let you know in a while. I just wanted to let you know that I have put together an amazing bonus package for Done For You Bonus Suite. So let me take you to my bonus page. Okay, so there's a link in the description below which says get Done For You bonus suite and bonuses. If you click that link, you will come to my bonus page, which looks like this. So let's scroll down. This is the one of the product that I reviewed. It's called Traffic Underdog. It's by Robin Palmer. It's a really good product. If you want to have a look, I will leave a link in the description below. You can just check this product out. And if you click any of these buttons which say click here to secure Done For You bonus suite and your bonuses, you will go to the sales page of Done For You suite, which looks like this. Excuse me. It looks like this, and if you click this yellow button which says get instant access now, you will be able to buy this product. So let me take you back to the bonus page. Okay, I think I forgot to tell you that the product is gonna launch on 3rd August, and the launch period is only for 3 days, that is on 3rd August, 4th August and 5th August. After that the price will go high, so I highly recommend you to, if you want to buy the product before 6th August, otherwise the prices will go up. So I'm giving you 2 days to pick this product up through my affiliate link and get all these bonuses. Okay, so what is Done For You bonus suite and what does it do? As I've already told you, step-by-step video training shows you exactly how to create a high converting bonus page using a WordPress website. High quality training videos help your bonus page rank faster on Google. So let's talk about prices and upsells. As I've already told you that the front end price of Done For You bonus suite is $16.95, which is $17. And what you get Done For You bonus suite combines a set of 4 professional WordPress bonus pages plus training to boost your customers affiliate earning when they promote affiliate offers from Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank. All right, so the upgrade number 1 is for $37, and what does it include? This upgrade gives you customers a right to use my previous 2 premium course as bonus for your affiliate promotions. Includes YouTube supremacy and what an affiliate suite, which is pretty good. Excuse me. Upgrade number 2 is building a list, $27. In these videos I show your customers how to auto build an email list from those who buy their affiliate link. These are buyers email which are best you can get. So email building a list is pretty important in affiliate marketing. If you cannot build a list, you cannot build your base into affiliate marketing. So this upgrade right there is pretty important. And upgrade number 3 is reseller rights. You can sell this product which is Done For You bonus suite, and you can keep 100% of the commission of the sale. Alright, so I'm giving you 10 bonuses when you buy Done For You bonus suite from my affiliate link, which is given in the description below. Alright, so what are these 10 bonuses? So the first bonus is commission blueprint, the super affiliate blueprint that generated over 500,000 in 12 months. Amazing bonus. Bonus number 2 is Lindgren's lazy method. You will get to know how to promote an affiliate offer. Bonus number 3 is crazy traffic explosion. So this bonus right there will solve your traffic problem. Bonus number 4 is how I made $2,000 in 20 minutes with Facebook group. So this bonus, in this bonus, actually Brendan Mace will teach you how he earned or how he made $2,000 using Facebook groups. Okay, so bonus number 5 is 10x commission. This is the best secret to $10,000 per month in your spare time. This is really important bonus. Bonus number 6 is ultimate traffic mantra. This bonus again right there will solve your traffic problems. Bonus number 7 is 10k a month online case study reveals all. This bonus is also pretty important if you are planning to build a strong foundation in affiliate marketing and this bonus right there will definitely help you out. And bonus number 8 is how to explode a YouTube channel. If you have a YouTube channel and if you're struggling to increase the subscribers or the views or the number of views, and this bonus will definitely will come to your rescue. So bonus number 9 is zero to profit with printables. You will get to know how to profit, how to make money with printables, and this niche is something which is really high in demand. So I highly recommend you to try your hand in this niche. Bonus number 10 is free traffic frenzy. This bonus again will solve your traffic problems. Learn how to finally get free traffic to your links. Do not spend another dime on traffic before you see this. So all these 10 bonuses are pretty much worth more than I think $1,500, and the product itself is for $17. So there's no comparison, you know what I mean. So okay, so again there's a timer. If this timer hits 0, my bonus page will expire and you won't be able to buy this product. And if you want to buy this product, you just need to click this orange buttons which say click here to secure done for you bonus suite, and your bonus. If you click this button, you will go to the sales page of done for you bonus suite, and if you click here, you will be able to buy this product. Alright, so this was my bonus page. Now let's jump to the sales page of done for you bonus suite. Alright, I'm in the sales page of done for you bonus suite. The easiest way to create on-demand bonus and review pages from product promotion. Okay, so he's the creator of the product. His name is Chris Denberger. Perfect for promoting affiliate offers from Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank, and others. Create an unlimited number of bonus pages. Proven WordPress bonus template to offer irresistible bonus. Actually, he's also providing you some done for you templates, so you don't have to create your bonus page right from scratch. You can just use those templates. You can just import those templates into your WordPress website and you're pretty much done. You just need to change your affiliate link. All right, so if you click this link, you will go to the checkout page and you can buy this product. All right, so if you come to the sales page, you can just read these testimonials that people have given about this product, and the results that he has got using this bonus page is ridiculous. You can just see her total gross revenue is $4,000. You're earning $2,000, $5,500. It's pretty amazing, and he has also been able to rank his website on top on Google. All the top affiliates are doing it because it works. I mean, his results are pretty amazing and impressive. So you can just go on reading this reviews and testimonials and proofs. There are tons of proof that he has posted in his sales page, so he must be getting some amazing results using this bonus page. Alright, so let me scroll down. You're going to learn my exact strategy using my personal WordPress bonus pages that help me earn over $10,000 every single month promoting other people's products. So isn't it good? Okay, so all right, I'll scroll. I'll actually want to show you things which are really important for you to know that. Okay, welcome to my bonus site. So this is how it's gonna look like. This is one of the examples of this bonus site, how it's gonna look like. So uh, you can just have a look of this, and you can get my money back guarantee. You're also getting 30-day money back guarantee, so there's no point that you don't want to get this product, because if you don't like the product, you can get it anytime, and you can return it anytime you want. Let's recap what you're getting today. 4 high quality bonus page templates. You're getting done for you bonus templates, which is pretty good. So you don't have to create your bonus page. I think you just have to replace it with your affiliate link or change the video, and that's it. I think it is done. High quality video training on every step of the way. It is a training course which you can go with your own pace. three exclusive bonuses. Bonus number one is webinar landing pages. Bonus number two is discover how I earn six-figure a year promoting other people's product on YouTube. Bonus number three is welcome to my bonus site. Upgrade to a full bonus website. Excuse me. Uh, yeah, 30-day money back guarantee, as I've told you. Okay, so I think I told you all the things that are important for you to know to buy this product. So let's jump into the members area of Done For You bonus suite, and I'm gonna show you the training course that is included in this video course. So this is the welcome. This is the dashboard of this site. If you click here, so I'm in the welcome area, and if you want you can watch this video, which is I think is really important. It will help you, it will guide you as to how to use this video course, and you can apply for you. If you want to promote this product, you can apply for your link and promote this product. You can join his Facebook group, and here are a few upgrades. Then you can always pick it up, it will always be here. So let's jump into the main training. Main training is a part where you want to spend most of your time, because it is the main part of this website. So the first step is I cannot show you all the steps. I cannot play the video because it won't make sense, right? I'll just give an overview of every method, every video. So the first is install WordPress plugin. So basically, Chris here will tell you where will you find your domain and hosting for really cheap, and then it will teach you how you can install your WordPress plugin. So this is the first video, that is the first video is all about. And second is importing the theme. If you click this link, you will be able to download a theme which will be in zip format, and you will have to upload that inside your WordPress plugin, WordPress website, and you're pretty much done. So don't just upload this theme on your own. Watch the video first, and here he has also warned you also that this theme will overwrite anything you are currently have on your website. So make sure whatever you're doing, you are first watching the video. So let's jump to the third method, is website overview. Actually, I'll show you how your website is gonna look like. Okay, so website settings is pretty it's basically how you can make the small changes in your WordPress dashboard to make it work faster. Header and footer is basically he'll teach you how you can edit your header, which is this top menu bar, and footer, which he will show you in the video. And editing home page is basically how this is how the site is gonna look like, your bonus site is gonna look like. And it'll basically show you how you can edit your home page like menus, and changing this text, welcome to my, instead of welcome to my bonus site, you can change it whatever you want. And basically these changes he is been doing using Elementor, which is another plugin in WordPress, which allows you to edit your pages and of much higher quality. Okay, so editing bonus pages, you can edit your bonus page. Will show you, here is example. He has shown you how you can edit your bonus page using Elementor. So he'll teach you everything. He'll teach you everything right from scratch, how to create a bonus page from scratch, and or how you can add certain columns, or how you can insert videos, pictures, text, or you highlight them. Everything is included in this, and this is a pretty long video, 17 minutes video. So you wanna definitely go through this video. Alright, so getting bonuses. Once you have created your bonus page, bonus page, it is also pretty important to give away few bonuses to your customers or to your buyers, in order to make them stay to your bonus page and force them to buy your product, because attractive bonuses is what people are looking for, and that is why they buy the product. So getting bonuses is basically is gonna teach you where you can get bonuses from, where you wanna get bonuses, thousands and thousands of bonuses for free. And delivering bonuses is basically is gonna teach you how you wanna, once you have created your bonus page, you want to pick that link, and you want to pick and you want to paste that link in your Warrior Plus link. If you click that, if you click the option of get link, and pop an option or a box pops up where you have an option of pasting your bonus link. So you just have to paste that link right there and click on save, and it will be pasted. So that is all this video is all about. Using Dropbox is basically how you wanna deliver your bonus too. So see, one is creating your bonus page, and another is delivering your bonuses. So delivering a bonus, so basically he'll teach you how you want to deliver your bonus to your customers through Dropbox. And Elementor Advanced is basically he's going to teach you few more tricks how you can, get the advanced training of Elementor, which is really important. I think Elementor is really easy to use, because it is only drag and drop features, and I create my bonuses page personally using Elementor, and I literally take 10 to 15 minutes to create a bonus page. Alright, so ranking in Google, he'll also show you how he has been able to rank his videos or his websites top on Google. Alright, so that is all that video course is all about, and I think it is pretty good. I went through all the training videos, and I personally have liked the videos very much, and I'm really looking forward to getting more benefits from this video course. So if you move up, you will have an option of always, upgrading your current package, and you can join his Facebook group. You can contact him, and you can log out from here. So let's jump into the main area, home. Okay, so all in all, basically, okay, so let me take you to the bonus page. Okay, so overall, I have liked the product. I went through a training course, as I've told you. It is pretty good, and I think this is a really new concept, because people are selling you a lot of things which are really not useful. But this bonus page right there will definitely make sure that you are definitely converting and making some sales, because attractive bonus page is what attracts customers, right? So this product is for everyone. This is like, this is newbie friendly. This is anyone can use it. It does not require you to have any skills or talent. It is deprived of that. And so it is 100% newbie friendly. You don't have to have any technical skills. Elementor, as I've told you, is really easy to use, and you can literally, it is drag and drop feature, so you can literally learn that in 10 to 15 minutes. That is not a big deal. So all in all, I like the product. I'm really looking forward to the launch of this product, and I highly recommend this product. So that is all. So thank you for watching my done for you bonus suites review video, and make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.